Ooh, the nail gun just sounds so satisfying. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What's up guys, the Tech Spy here, and I'm finally back to making a new video. I came back and it's been 2 weeks, but I'm so excited to make this one. These are the Astro A50 wireless. I've been wanting these headphones for gaming since I was a kid, and I finally have been able to get it. These ones are specifically meant for the Xbox and PC, works on Windows 10, and they also do make these for the PlayStation as well. Anyways, the reason why I'm making this video is because I copped these for only, it was $113. $113 guys, so that's super cheap. These are worth $300 brand new. So let me see what kind of quality we get them in. They got the whole renewed label. When I get refurbished from Apple, it's basically brand new. So I'm super excited. Wanted these headphones for a while. Let's get started. Alright, so these again are the Xbox, Windows. You can just switch between both of them. And Astro A50 wireless. It's got Dolby Audio, which is super cool, which means you'll get like a whole surround sound. 5 gigahertz, so it has fast connection, no latency. And then we also have a base station. Now the cool thing about this base station, which is basically a dock, is that you can also get the one for the PlayStation. And to switch between the two consoles, you literally just pick up the headphones, put it in the PlayStation dock for a second, take it out, and now it's connected to the PlayStation, and just go back to the Xbox, vice versa. Anyways, you also got the mod kit compatible. This does not come with the mod kit. Alright, so here is the mod kit for the A50s, and all you get are a headband and ear cushions. Now the only difference are that these ones are leather, and if you scroll down you guys can see that they do market it as having better padding and also adds noise cancelling ear cushions. So if you do want those features, I guess go and get this, but I think it's a little steep at $40. I think this already came on the headphones, so I'm gonna stick to what I have now. You also got Astro Audio. This is the top of the box. Now this part I believe is metal. And yeah, so I'm super excited for these headphones. A ton of features right here. You guys go and read through that, but I'll just go over a little bit of it. 15-hour rechargeable lithium ion battery, so that's gonna last a while. And again, to charge them, you just place them in the dock and it starts charging. Super cool. It also has a built-in mix amp, and it's also some software you could use to adjust some stuff right here. I think before it had like a whole like actual physical mix amp, but now they integrated everything onto the headphones themselves. You also have pro quality audio, premium microphone for flip to mute. So basically just flip it up and it mutes. I want to talk a lot of trash in COD, right? Because there's a lot more trash talking in COD again. It's become like the old days, which I love. And this is going to be great for that. USB sound card functionality. So I guess you can just get the audio. Enough jibber jabber. Let's go ahead and pop open the box. You guys can see on top, it looks like this. You got the Astro logo with the star. Super cool design right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Super cool. I already went ahead and cut this, so looks like I won't be needing my handy dandy unboxing knife. Yeah, we'll use that for other purposes, right? Just kidding. Anyways. Ooh, it's taking this out. Ooh, a little bit strong. Not as strong as Apple's steel, but there we go. I'm gonna throw that to the side. Bam! These are the headphones. So I love the art that they got in like this black right here. Same thing goes all the way around to the end of the box and all around the box. Super cool stuff. I never really used gaming headphones except for like a SteelSeries one, but I never owned a pair, right? So these are first gaming headphones that I will actually own. And yeah, so wow. Okay, so right off the bat, we get the headphones themselves, and from the looks of it, the quality does seem to be really nice. Check this out. This bar right here, as I mentioned earlier, is metal. Not sure if you can adjust. Could you adjust? Oh yeah, you can adjust a little bit. You can see that. You can adjust it a little bit, which is pretty cool on each headphone. Very easy slide. Okay, the padding does feel a little bit cheap. It feels kind of like fabric.
40 bucks?
But I think it's still gonna be very comfortable and easy to use. I'm excited to see how these sound most because I got Dolby Audio. I'm seeing a volume switch right there, so there's like a little turn wheel on this headset, and then we have a 1, 2, and 3 toggle. I'm not sure what that does. We have another headphone button. Okay, we gotta figure out what all these buttons do. But again, everything is integrated into these headphones. This kind of was my first impressions. Let me put them on. Oh wow. Oh yeah, they're comfortable. Okay, the headphones coming down. Oh, I'm wearing them backwards. There we go. Okay. Woo. So that's what they look like on ear. They feel very comfortable. I feel like I could wear these for a long time. Cool. Awesome. They look pretty cool too. So A50, I'm pretty sure you can change these faceplates too by popping these off. Anyways, flip up to switch to mute. And anyways, let's see what else we got inside the box. Pull this tab. We got cable. This is for optical out. Pull this out. And... Sorry, Dragon. We got another cable right here. This is the micro USB cable for basically hooking up the dock so that you get charge and power to it. Now, again, over here, if you guys can see, you have a little switch. You can switch between PC and Xbox with the flick. You also got a USB port, that's for the charge. You do have a USB or micro USB port right there too. Optical in and optical out. And you also have an auxiliary port too. So we're gonna see what all those do and what the intended purpose is for those features on this device. Now, I am noticing that since this is renewed, let me move this out of the way. This is a little bit scratched up. I can see some scratches pretty apparent. It's probably gonna get scratched up and scuffed anyways because it's like a gloss black. But yeah, let's go ahead and set the headphones on top of here. See what that looks like. I think this way is better. The microphone on the outside of the dock. I love how it says Astro on the top. This part is plastic. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and play some video games and I'll get back to you guys on these headphones that I only got for $113 again. Alright, so now here's the setup and review of the Astro A50s, and spoiler alert, I absolutely love these. These are so crazy and so amazing. I was made by the sound, and it makes my TV speakers sound like crap. Anyways, here, let's go and get to the setup. So on the dock, first, going to go a little bit of an overview. So again, you got that micro USB port for basically powering the dock, and you have optical in and out so you can plug in your other speakers and still use them if you want to and switch between your headset and your speakers. And you have an auxiliary port, and this is very, very cool because you could basically receive calls from your iPhone if you plug it in through your headset. So you can talk to mom, you can talk to dad, you can talk to family and your bros, right? And you can also play music through them as well. So you can just be gaming, have a call received, or be listening to music too. So I'm gonna be bumping that new Kanye album, you know what I'm saying? And for this, for the iPhone, you might need an adapter. That's the opposite of this because you do have to plug it in to that auxiliary port. So that's unfortunate with Apple, but it's still doable. And to set this up, first on the dock, you want to set it to PC on that little switch. Super simple and easy. And once you have that done, all you gotta do is go and power the dock. So it's gonna plug in the micro USB cable. And on the other side, since we set it to PC, we want to hook it up to our laptop or computer. So this works both on Windows and Mac. So it's available for both softwares. And again, make sure to set to PC, download the software, open it up, and this is what it looks like when you first open it up. You guys can see it says no headset detected. Please power on your headset or place it in the base station. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We can place our headset in the base station, make sure the mic is on the outside, and just like that, it should pop up. If it doesn't, like it did it for me, then all you gotta do is shake the headphones a little bit, make sure it makes contact with those little pins at the bottom of the dock station, and boom, just like that, it is now available. So from here, you just want to go and update the headset. So you guys can see we got a little power indicator right there too with the power and everything, which is super, super cool. And over here, you can go and set the presets too for all the different presets that you want. There's 3 different ones, which is super awesome. But anyways, once you're going to update it, you can go and close your laptop and you can unplug this, and updating it is super simple. It's going to boot this back over to our main station, and now set this back over to Xbox. And now from the other side, we're just going to go and plug this in to our Xbox or PC or PlayStation, whatever you have. Now you can plug into the front if you want, but I personally like to plug it into the back because it's just out of the way. So I'm just going to plug it to the back, and now we are good to go. And just like that, it's simple. You do get an LED indicator right there to see the charge status on the dock, which is super, super cool. I like all the features that they built in. And to basically use headphones, all you do is pick them up, and just like that, they will power on automatically. And if you don't want to do that, there's also a power switch that you can just go and turn on from there. And the cool part is you can just leave it on this on position, and it will basically turn off automatically when they're not in use. So I like to keep it on sometimes, and when you set the headphones aside like this, after 15 seconds of inactivity, it will go ahead and turn off just like so. And watch this, as soon as I pick it up, it will go ahead and turn back on because it does have a built-in accelerometer. And the same thing goes for the dock. You put on the dock, and after some time of inactivity, it'll go ahead and turn off and start charging, which is super cool. But for ease of mind, I do personally like to just flip the switch just to make sure that it's off. Alright, so now we are on the Xbox, and you guys can see there's Dolby Access. And this is how you get the most out of these headphones. Now, Dolby Access, you guys know that these headphones do have Dolby Audio. Dolby Access is $14.99 and it goes across your entire system. It's a one-time purchase. In the past, it was on sale for like $11 and right now I'm on a free trial. But this makes a world of a difference, and just for $11 or $15, it's definitely worth it, and you definitely need to get this because it makes a world of a difference, okay? Alright, so after you have Dolby Atmos, all you want to do is head over to your settings on Xbox and make sure you go to General and then down over to Volume and Audio Output, that option right over there. Once you guys are over here, first thing you want to make sure you select over here in Party Chat Output is your headset, just like that. And over here, this is the important part. So you guys can see headset audio, so click on this and you guys can see Dolby Atmos for headphones. You want to go and select that, and if you have Dolby Atmos, it will work. If you don't, it'll pop up with this error right here saying that you need to buy Dolby Atmos. But yeah, just like that, you have Dolby Atmos enabled and you are good to go through your headset. Once you got the Dolby Atmos and you put these on, it has like a huge like surround sound and you can literally hear everything. I heard sounds that I was not able to hear before. I literally heard the chains on my LMG, on my stoner, right, on my guns. You could hear everything. You can hear snipers from across the map. I used to think my TV speakers were really good, but after using these headphones with Dolby Access, I'm like, did my speakers go bad on my TV or something? But really, it's just these headphones. Guns sound so satisfying, I'm telling you guys. And it's just absolutely amazing. You have to have Dolby Access. 200% worth it. Dolby Atmos, what it basically does is if you have one of those upward firing speakers like in front of your TV, it basically fires the sound upwards toward the TV and it bounces to give you a more surround sound. It's like the sound's coming from here when your speaker's all the way there. So imagine having that in headphones, and that's exactly what it does. The mic is really good too. Now I know these are not the Gen 4, these are the Gen 3, which is why I was able to get it for only $100 renewed. But there's really not too much of a difference. It's really the exact same thing, except on the Gen 4, the mic quality is better, but I mean, you save literally $200, so why not get these? These are absolutely incredible. And my only problem with these is that sometimes when I do put them on, the ear cushions might get a little bit hot. So if you do want the mod kit, I completely understand. I feel like that is worth it in the long term if you do use these forever, right? But still, these are really, really comfortable. I didn't have any issues there really to complain about. I'm just kind of nitpicking. And I love having this mic, okay? At the end of the match, okay, I could go off on these campers and talk about how I still won, even though they were camping in the back. But it's just a lot of fun to have a mic always available. You flip up and it's off, it's on mute. And then if you want to, by the end of the round, right, you want to talk some smack, you just put this down and you are good to go. Super, super cool. I always missed being able to just talk to people and spreading that toxicity, you know, in online gaming. That's what it's meant to be for, right? And it's just so awesome. Now these pads, that's how you take them off. Literally, you just pull them off. They have a magnet, and you can put on the new ones. So applying the mod kit is super easy. The top is a little more complicated. You can't just take it off. But again, same thing for the other ear cushion. Look at that. They make it super easy to do. And again, on the side of this headphone, you do have the volume. And let me tell you, these get very, very loud, okay? So you're going to adjust the volume using that switch right there, which is really cool. It kind of rests on the back right here. So I just use my thumb and adjust it, and wow, okay, they sound absolutely incredible. Now over here you do have the different sound profiles, so you can click through them. Just going to swipe through and it's as simple as that. There's the Dolby Atmos button, which you might really not need to press because you're always going to leave Dolby Atmos on. You can hear like it make this all sound effects like doo doo, and then all over here you got the power button, and it's as simple as that. You can also change the different faceplates by popping these off and putting new ones, but I'm going to leave it as is. I think they look very, very cool, and I'm a huge fan of the design. And when you're done, that's it. That's it. It just looks super cool in front of my Xbox Series X. Got the Switch right there too. And this is so cool. I love this a lot. Now again, if you do have a PlayStation as well, you get this as a PlayStation dock, right? Just the base station. And then to switch over to PlayStation, just put it in to the PlayStation dock, take it out, and now it's connected to your PlayStation. Can't be any more simple. Now if I want to go back to Xbox, bop, back to Xbox. But I only have an Xbox. Might be beginning PlayStation 5 in the future. All in all, I already mentioned the adjustment too. Just a lot, and it's metal right here, so it's not going to break anytime soon. They put quality where it mattered. I love these Astros, okay? I've been wanting these ever since I was a kid, and I always like watch reviews and stuff, and I always want these, and I can't believe it just took me up until now to be able to get good gaming headphones, and I'm super satisfied with these, especially at the price point of $100. I'll leave links down below. These are super cool. Go and check them out. And by the way, when you put the mic down, you could hear yourself talking, so you know that the mic is on. And when you put it up, now you can hear more ambient noise outside. It doesn't completely isolate, so you can still hear what's going on outside. But if you get the new cushions with the mod kit, you won't be able to hear as much. But yeah, guys, that's my review on the Astro M50s. I definitely recommend picking these up, especially for the price tag of $100. I mean, it might end up a little bit scratched like this right here, but still, I think it's getting scratched up anyways, and you can't really notice it that much anyway. So it's super worth it. You save a lot of money, and it's 100% a cop. Anyways, guys, sorry for being gone for so long. I have so many more videos planned on so much more cool stuff. And yeah, stay tuned. This is the Tech Spot. Check out my other channels. I uploaded a video on my other channel, Usman's Lifestyle, where I basically just talk about my lifestyle, fitness, and clothing, gym, everything. You know, it's got a lot. Oh god, it's you gotta subscribe to my other channel too, okay? Usman's Lifestyle. Yeah, guys, this is it. This is Tech Spot, and I'm out. Peace.